Hello friend, today we have another question and it is very important, and this question is asked in many company as you can see company tab. Okay, the question name is longest consecutive subsequence, means we have to find the longest consecutive subsequence. Okay, first we will try to read the question and try to understand, then we will move to the approaches. Okay. Question says that given an array ARR of non-negative integers, okay, means array is given and all the elements of the array is positive integer. Okay. Find the length of the longest subsequence such that elements in the subsequence are consecutive integer. Means elements, we have to find the length of the longest subsequence such that elements in the subsequence are consecutive integer. Consecutive means 1, 2, 3, increasing order, not 1, 5. Hmm. So we have to find the consecutive integer. The consecutive numbers can be in any order, means can be in any order. Okay, means not in order, so any order. So here says that input ARR equal to 2619453. So the output is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This so the length of the this one is 6. So how we can find? Okay, so the approach is first approach. I will here. Suppose array is given. Hmm, suppose array is given like 2, 6, 1, 9, 4, 5, 3. Then how we can or we can store this value into the hash set. It is also possible. If we store in the hash set, then suppose here 2, it will check for the increment value. First, we can store in the hash set. Okay, 2, 6, 1, 9, 4, 5, 3. Okay, then for 2, first we will check the decrement, means consecutive order. So which value is smaller, means lowest? 2, 1. 1 is present, okay. Then 0 is present, no. So here 1. Maximum of max is greater than 2 and up to maximum is 2. 3 is present, yes. 4 is present, yes. 5 present, yes. 6, yes. 7 or 6. So what is the difference? 6 minus 1 plus 1. It will give 6 minus and 5 plus 1. 6. 6. It will give 6. The answer. Then check for 6. The minimum and lowest means decrement the value, the increment the value. 6. 5 is present, 4 is present, 3 is present, 2 is present, 1 is present. Oh, lowest one. 6. 7 is present, no. 6. This will also give 1. Lowest 1 for 1. Decrement 0 is present, no. Only 1. 1 for 6. Okay. Then 7. Then 6. 1. After that 9. Lowest value. 8 is present, no. Maximum. Starting from 9 to maximum. 9. 10 is present, no. So here 1. So 4. Check for 4. 1. It will go 6. 4. 4 is present. 3 is present. 2 is present. 1 is present. 0 is not present. 1. 4. 5 is present. 6 is present. Then 4, 5. Check for the start from the 5 and check for the minimum, means lowest. 4 is present. 3 is present. 2 is present. 1 is present. 0 not present. 1. Then 5 is present, 6 is present, yes, 7 is present, no. So 6. Check for 3. 2 is present, yes, 1 is present, 0 is present, no. 1. 4 is present, 5 is present, 6 is present. Okay. So we are checking each and every value for all the elements. Suppose 1, we are checking for 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, same thing. So we are visiting each and every node twice. So here the time complexity in worst case scenario n square. So we have to reduce the time complexity because for 1, 2, 3, this one 4 is checking for 5, 6 and 2, 3, 1. So in that suppose here all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sort. 1 is checked for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0. Then 2 is checking for this. Then this, that's why in worst case scenario the time complexity become n square. So the best, so we have to reduce the time complexity. Just suppose 1, suppose 2, 2 minus 1, 1, 1 is present. Okay, so we will not start from 2. 6, 5 is present. Yes, we will not start. 1, 0 is present. No, so from 1 we can start. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Only it will run only one time. So constant. Okay, then 9 decrement. 8 is present. No, but uh, so we will start from 9, not present. Think like this. 4, 3 is present, not a start. 5, 4 is present, so we will not start from 4. 6. From 3, 2 is present, not a start. So in that case, the time complexity will become big of n. Okay. So this is the best approach. So how we can solve? Here. First, we will create HashSet, set region, set equal to new HashSet. Okay. Length equal to 0, less than length I plus plus set dot add size of I. Okay, then we have to find the longest. So in max equal to integer dot min value, then for in I equal to 0, less than array dot length I plus plus. After that I will check if set dot contain array of I minus 1 not present. If it is not present, then we can find int answer 1 equal to uh, find value. If I find total or find total, start from array of I will pass it. If maximum is smaller than answer 1, then put answer equal max equal to answer 1. At last, we will return max. And for find total, get one method public int find total int value HashSet teacher set. Hmm. First, int answer equal to 0. It will check while set dot contain value. If it is, then answer plus plus, increment the answer and value plus plus. At last, return answer. Over. Hmm. So we will get the answer because if it is not present a smaller value, we don't have to check. We don't have to check. Suppose a smaller value is not present, means that is the starting. So we can move from that point. Okay. So the time complexity will become bigger of n. So now I am going to write this program into GFG compiler. Okay, first we have to create hash set of integer to set new hash set. Then first we can put all the elements into the hash set. I equal to 0, I less than then I plus plus increment it. Then set dot add set dot add array of I. Completed. We have to find maximum. Max equal to integer dot min value. Then start for int I equal to 0, I is less than array dot length I plus plus. Then it will check set dot contains array of I minus 1. If that value is not present, then check for then count start from the counting from that value, means this is the lowest value, and start from that value and go to upper, which maximum one, which one was maximum value is present starting from array of 5. So int answer 1 equal to find upper will contain array of I and set. If max is smaller than answer 1, then update max equal to answer 1. Return max. In case we have to implement this method only. So public, just that no public int if I define upper int value and set integer set then int, int count is equal to 0 while set dot content set dot content value then increment count and value plus plus increment the value. At last we have to return count. This approach means we are finding the minimum. Suppose 1 minus 1, 0. 0 is not present, then we will start from the 1 only. Okay. Hmm. And in case, or you can put here 0. Hmm. Yeah, we got expected output. Hmm. All test cases are passed successfully. Thanks for watching. This is the best way to learn DSA. Bye bye. Hmm.